what I'm doing here, I got this storage building in my garage and this dead space in between. My plan here is to put a roof between these two and park my tractor and keep my tractor and implements out of the weather. So I drilled these holes last night. I was running late and trying to get them done, so I didn't take any video. And I poured some concrete in there, get a little bit of a footer. So they're like 3 foot deep. And what I got here, I was hitting, looks like concrete to me. So these here in the middle will just set there. On that, I'll put a little bit of concrete around them to keep them from wiggling. And then these here, I'll put a concrete footer in there, and then I'll concrete the post in. And since it's going to be pretty much a flat roof with no way to get any snow off, I'm going to build it on a 2x6 rafters, 2x8 headers. So I think that'll be plenty strong. We don't get a tremendous amount of snow here, but it ought to hold whatever we get. So I bought this auger used, and you can see it's leaking. So what I did, I took and pumped a bunch of grease in here in my gearbox. I got an old bush hog that's that way. It leaks, so I'm too honored to change the seal. And you know, no more than this thing gets used, I'll just keep grease in there, you know. Before I use it, put some grease in it and call it good. You know, it doesn't get used enough to justify, in my mind, putting a new seal in it. And the old bush hog we got, we've had it 4 or 5 years running it that way. You know, just beginning of the summer, squirt some grease down in there and it'll work just fine, as long as you got something in there. And there's another thing called pourable grease. It's a double lot 00, and I know they sell it at Tractor Supply. You know, it's just a pourable grease, and it supposedly will stay in there. I've never tried it. It's like 10 bucks. So anyways, that's the holes. Hopefully maybe first of next week I'll get my post set and then start getting my headers and rafters hung, so I can get my tractor in here out of the weather. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.